Use booking when your service runs on appointments and your price is predictable. Customers request a time, you confirm the booking, and then you deliver the service at the appointment. Now, let's jump into the app and walk through it step by step. First, on the professional side, we're going to enable request booking for a service. Open your business profile menu, then go to My Services. Choose the right service category. In this example, we're setting it up for a hair salon style service. Now create your service by adding a clear title, a short description, and a fixed price. Add any service details you want customers to see, like duration or what's included. Then turn on request booking for this service and tap Submit to save. Now let's switch to the customer side and see what booking looks like in real life. The customer searches by category, finds a business, and opens the profile. From the business profile, they go to the service you created and tap Request Booking. Next, they choose the appointment date and select a time slot. The customer reviews the booking details and taps Submit to send the request. Back on the professional side, the professional opens Jobs to view the new booking request. The professional taps the request to open it and reviews the service, time, and customer details. Finally, the professional taps Confirm to send the finalized schedule to the customer. On the day of the appointment, the professional opens the booking from Jobs and taps Start Work. If the customer has their phone, they can approve the start right away. If not, the professional can force start and select a reason before continuing. If the app asks for a reason to start without customer confirmation, enter the reason and continue. Only use this when you already have customer approval. After the service is done, open the job and tap Mark Complete. After the service is completed, the customer goes to their project section, opens the booking, completes the payment, and then leaves a rating and review, which helps the professional rank higher in search. And that's how booking works from start to finish. The professional creates a fixed price service, turns on request booking, and the customer books an appointment time. On the day of the job, the professional taps Start Work. The customer can approve it, or the professional can force start with a reason if needed. After the service is done, the customer confirms completion and leaves a rating and review. For more help, watch the other tutorials to set up your services and pricing. Manage jobs and use the quote system when your pricing changes.